Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Confidence in English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. Now that the spooky decorations of Halloween are coming down, America starts to prepare for another major festival. It happens on the fourth Thursday of every November. We're talking about Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving is a huge cultural event in the United States. You see it in movies and TV shows all the time. It's a holiday focused on gratitude, family, and, of course, a massive amount of delicious food.
Today, we'll explain the key traditions and teach you the essential vocabulary you need to understand and talk about this famous American holiday.
Part 1. What is Thanksgiving?
So, what is Thanksgiving? At its heart, it's a harvest festival. The modern holiday is a day for Americans to gather with family and friends to give thanks for the good things in their lives.
The central event of the day is a large, shared meal, often called Thanksgiving dinner, even if it's eaten in the afternoon. It is a national holiday, so most people have the day off from work and school to spend time with their loved ones.
Part 2. The Thanksgiving Feast. Key vocabulary.
The food is the star of the show. The most iconic dish is the turkey. This is a very large bird that is typically roasted for hours and is the centerpiece of the table.
Served with the turkey are several side dishes. A classic one is stuffing, which is a bread-based mixture, often with herbs, vegetables, and sausage, that is cooked inside the turkey or separately.
You will also always find cranberry sauce, which is a sweet and tangy sauce made from cranberries, and gravy, which is a thick sauce made from the juices of the cooked turkey.
And for dessert, the most traditional choice is pumpkin pie. It's a sweet pie with a spiced pumpkin-based filling.
Part 3. Thanksgiving Traditions.
Besides the food, there are other famous traditions. One is watching the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade on television. It takes place in New York City and is famous for its giant character balloons, marching bands, and musical performances.
Another very common tradition is watching American football. There are always important football games on TV throughout the day, and for many families, this is a central part of the celebration.
The holiday also has a more serious side. Many families have a tradition of going around the dinner table and having each person say what they are thankful for from the past year.
And finally, Thanksgiving marks the unofficial start of the Christmas shopping season with an event called Black Friday. This is the day after Thanksgiving, famous for huge sales and discounts in stores.
Part 5. Useful English phrases for Thanksgiving.
The most common and simple greeting for the day is, Happy Thanksgiving.
If you are at a dinner, a host might start the meal by asking, "So, what is everyone thankful for this year?"
You can compliment the person who cooked by saying things like, The turkey is delicious, or This is the best pumpkin pie I've ever had.
And you might hear people talking about their shopping plans. Are you going to look for any Black Friday deals tomorrow?
Part 5. Final lesson review.
Let's do a quick review of the key Thanksgiving vocabulary. 1. Turkey, the main dish, a large roasted bird. 2. Side dishes, including stuffing, cranberry sauce, and gravy. 3. Pumpkin pie, the traditional dessert. 4. Parade, the famous morning event on TV. 5. Black Friday, the major shopping day that follows.
And the most important phrase is, Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for joining us today to learn about this very American holiday.
The idea of taking a day to be thankful is universal. What is something you are thankful for today? Let us know in the comments. We'll see you in the next lesson.
And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.